This is Carleon snoring. He said he doesn't snore, but we're saying he does. It looks like he's snoring to me. What do you think?